so this was gonna happen. Each group, you all have 9 people. At one point in this race, you're gonna have a relay. One person from your group is gonna go from here. You're gonna run to your table. So this table is for you all. This table right here is for you all right here, right? This table is for, hey guys, don't do the puzzle yet. Guys, Afghan boys, look this way. This group right here,
don't do the puzzle.
this is your table right here.
It's later.
And then this one,
it's a mission.
actually, hold on. What happen is one person is gonna run. You're gonna start over here. You're gonna flip this plate. Hey, make sure you're paying attention. Listen up, because otherwise you will not get this activity, okay? You're gonna flip the plate starting on this side. So everybody's gonna start on that side, okay? When you flip the plate, there's a message. There's a challenge. You have to do this challenge, right? Some of the challenges require you to materials. All the materials for the challenges are over here. Once you finish a challenge, you gotta go where the coach is and say, here, it's done. They say yes, you go back to your team, high five someone else, and then they go. Now they're gonna go in order. So, if you did this plate, what goes next? This one, right? If they did this one, which one do you do next? That one, that one, that one. The coaches will help you, okay? Make sure that they're getting the sequential ones. And then if, at one point, once they're done here, then they can just flip this one back and go this way. So once they're gonna go this way like that, once they get here, because there's 9 people, they're gonna have to just flip this one and go this way. All right, are you, questions? What questions do you have? ¿Qué preguntas tienen? Y no porque estoy pelón, porque vos. So there's times when the leader must like step back and see and watch others, right? Maybe seeing what other people are doing. Like if you don't understand the instructions, maybe it would have been good for you not to go first, but maybe second or third or fourth, so you can kind of see an example. Some of us, some of us can be the first at something, but some of us need to be able to be the exact or see us an example, right? Because maybe it's hard for us to start something that we've never done before. All right, so this is what I get to do. I have a little challenge for you. Coach Timon talked about feeding yourself. Now, that doesn't mean go home and eat a lot of food, okay? Because you're gonna come back all heavy and be like, hey, Thrive told me to eat a lot, right? What it means by that is do things that feed your heart. What do I mean by that? How many of you, like, when you're all stressed out, what are some things that you do that are helpful for you? Some things that help you, like, to get out of stress, but that are good. Because there's things that we do that are bad to get out of stress. You know what are some of the bad things that we do? Some of us do this when we go home. Right? Now, being on your phone 3 hours, is that good or bad? Bad. Well, it depends who you're talking to, because you're. But most of us, if we're on social media for 2-3 hours, is that good? No. That's bad. So, what are some things you do to get out of stress, to feed yourself, to feel better? Give me some things. Just throw them out. Yes. Run. How many of you like to exercise? Raise your hand if you like to exercise. Okay, 2 people. All right, fantastic. 5. How many of you, what other things do you like to do when you're stressed out? Breathing. Oh, breathe, okay. Read, so you like to read something. All right, this is my challenge. On your piece of paper, I'd like you to write down your response to this. This is the last thing we're gonna do. This next week, I will feed myself by doing something for myself. So what are you gonna do this next week to feed yourself? Something you enjoy doing that takes stress away, makes you feel better. For example, I like to exercise. I don't know if you could tell, but okay, whatever. I like to exercise. That's my thing, like 5 or 6 times a week. Why are you laughing, Maria? That's not a joke. I like to exercise. That's something I do for myself to feed myself. I'll be honest, when I was younger, I would do weights. You know why? You know the reason I did weights when I was younger? Because I wanted to look sexy, right? Because when I would be walking down the hallways in the school, I wanted to look. You feel me? But now that I'm older, I just do it because like my mental health needs it, right? Some of you, maybe this next week, you're going to talk to a friend. That's one way you're going to feed yourself. How many of you all have a strong faith? You're Christian, Muslim, Buddhist. Yeah, maybe praying or going to the temple or going to church is something for you. I'd like you to write something down. I'm going to give you 30 seconds.